Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can combine clips on CapCut PC, like how you can merge your clips together. So I'm just going to select a couple of videos from the stock videos here just to show you. So to do that, just select all of your clips, or if you're too lazy, just press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Right click and then select create compound clip, or press Alt G on your keyboard, and all of your clips will be merged together. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.